Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for affiliate marketing tracking, the full 2025 guide. Now let's get started with our first step, setting up your Airtable. Go ahead and create a new base titled Affiliate Marketing. This will be your central hub for all your affiliate marketing data. The reason we do this is to organize and streamline your tracking process. Next up, we'll create 4 tables titled Products, Affiliates, Links, and Sales. These tables will help you keep track of your products, your affiliate partners, your promotional links, and your sales records, respectively. This helps us because it allows you to see all your important data at a glance, which is vital for tracking your affiliate marketing efforts. Now that we've done that, let's populate our tables. In the Products table, list all your products, including their names and prices. In the Affiliates table, list all your affiliate partners, including their names and contact information. In the Links table, list all your promotional links, including their URLs and which product they're promoting. And in the Sales table, list all your sales, including their dates, which product was sold, which affiliate made the sale, and how much commission you owe. The reason we do this is to help you keep track of all your data in one place, making it easier to manage your affiliate marketing. Finally, let's link our tables. In Airtable, you can create relationships between your tables by using the Link to Another Record field type. For example, you can link each sale to the corresponding product and affiliate. This helps us because it allows you to see how your products and affiliates are performing and calculate your commissions accurately. And that's it. You now have a powerful tool for tracking your affiliate marketing in Airtable. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is staying organized and keeping track of your data. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.